US crude trading bullish after the crude oil data and the inventories data from the US coming yesterday, and after that we have seen a good bullish move trading above the critical resistance at 98. And yes, NG is trading, it has erased against what it has got a couple of days back. It has erased all the gains, trading at comfortable levels. Now what is going to happen today, which position we should take in order to make profit, what should be our strategy in order to make profit today, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into US crude followed with NG. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully. And yes, if you are interested into other markets and commodities including gold, silver and Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE, Germany, you can watch those analysis as well. The next update on these will be up before the US cash session. Now this is the hourly charts on US crude. You can see very clearly it has taken a support at 95 and then 94. These two levels are definitely a very strong support zone for US crude. Now it has always been a support level, rather I should say I have always maintained that on the downside these two levels and then 90 to 90 levels are very strong support zones, which is again coming into picture here. Look at closely on the hourly charts. Support here, support, higher base are getting created. Also this time it is trying to create the higher highs, so be watchful. Now look at the hourly charts closely. See, after this minor retracement it is again giving a breakout. Now the support here at 96.5 is strong, only below which one can expect it to drop. Also if you look at this, is trying to trade in this. The next target is 98.8 and 99, trading above which you can definitely expect that it is going to hit $100. So be watchful of 98.8 levels and 99 levels. In if you trade successfully above this 99 and $100 levels cannot be denied. Support there at 96, very strong support now at 96 levels. Directional movement extremely bullish, stochastic reversing for a bullish move. MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI is again coming back to overbought levels. Similarly, look at the 2-hour charts. It is again trying to create a double top here. Be watchful how it behaves. Either creating a double top, it may again try to give you red candle, then it may again drop. However, breaking beyond this zone, sustaining above 98.8 and 99 levels, definitely we can see it heading to $100, and in fact it can try to hit 101. Beyond that also is very much possible. Now look at here, you can go short at 97, below which one can expect it is going to drop for 96, and then below that we may see a fall as stochastic is overbought. Directional movement is bullish. MACD is again on the buy side, it is divergent and bullish. RSI is looking upwards. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see it is trying to show you swings. Lower lows have been seen. This time it is trying to show you higher highs. The resistance there at 98.5 and 98.8 is strong. Beyond that we can see it flying for $100 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent bullish and RSI is looking upwards too on the 3-hour charts. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, consistent green candles, multiple green candles. The highs of this channel are aligned to this at 98.5. So possibly achieving this, we may see again it flying, and then $100 levels are definitely not far apart. However, this much green candles must look forward to a minor retracement towards 96 is possible, then it can try to fly high. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI is slightly looking upwards. Now look at the daily chart. The fresh candle on it is yet to start. Lower lows and then higher highs. The resistance, it might take it at around 99 levels it can achieve. From there the next candle will decide which direction it is going to take, as it is almost at the highs of this channel. So lower highs is what we had seen previously, and the flat bottom here. So 99 levels should be a very strong resistance. If it tries to rise, you can go long at 98.5, but at the same time one must not forget 98.5, above 98.5 it is going to get resistance at 98.8 and 99. Trading above 99, definitely $100 levels will get achieved. Beyond that it is going to remain extremely bullish. On the downside, you can go short at 97. Below 97, you can expect 96.4 and 96. 96 is the next strong support zone. Below that, you can expect it to fall again towards 95 and 94.5, the next support level. So do not trade between 97 and 98.5. Above and below, you can take your positions. On the upside, there is going to be resistance at 98.8 and 99 levels. Very strong resistance there. Above this, definitely $100 levels and 101 should get achieved. Beyond this, you can also expect 102.5 and 104 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at on the hourly charts. You can find lower highs are given, so supporting here at around 85.8 and resting here at around 87 or 86.8. So in between 85.8 and 86.8, you have to be a little bit cautious. The resistance zone, once it breaks at 86.8, definitely one can expect it to come back to this zone, which is at around 87.8, and beyond that, sorry, extremely sorry, 8.78. So 8.58 and 8.68, you have to be watchful in between this. It is trying to consolidate a bit, then a breakout will appear, so be watchful. On the downside, yes, 8.5 and 8.4 levels, definitely a support there. On the upside, 8.78 and 8.8 should be a good resistance. Beyond that, definitely it will fly. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic again coming downwards. The MACD is just crossed over right now, and RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, similarly it is consolidating with higher lows, higher highs, trying to trade in this channel. So the next target, as you can see here, 8.7 level should come into picture. With the stop loss at 8.58, you can stay long, and then 8.7 should come into picture, but be watchful. See, on this candle, largely it is giving you lower highs, higher lows. So rather, I will say you can go long at 8.65, above which 8.7 and then 8.8 level should come into picture. Beyond that, definitely it is going to fly for in 9.8, rather I will say 8.95 and plus levels. So do not trade till 8.65. Above 8.65, definitely one can stay long, and below 8.58 you can go short. You can take your positions accordingly. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge. RSI is trading flat. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts it is consolidating a bit, or it is already trying to give you a breakout here. Be watchful. Either which ways it breaks, it is going to give you a strong bullish move, and hence be watchful of 8.65. Beyond 8.65, you can stay long there. Expect it to hit 8.7, the first and nearest resistance, then 8.8, and beyond that it is going to fly high. Above 8.8, we can expect it to hit 8.9 and 8.95 levels. On the downside, yes, the support there at 8. Below 8.58, only I'll recommend you to go short. Then 8.5 is the good support. Then 8.4, very good support. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is wide divergent bearish. RSI trading flat on the 3-hour charts. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. Lower highs, higher lows. This time getting the support here. It is trying to rise, but getting the resistance equally at 8.65. If it trades above 8.65, one can stay long, and then the target should be somewhere here. Let me show you, at around 8.8 level. So be watchful of 8.8. It can give you a stronger resistance on the upside. At the same time, on the downside, 8.6, 8.58 should be a very good support. Below that, you can expect it to drop for 8.5 and 8.4 levels. Look at the directional movement, moderately bullish. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. Lower highs, lower lows. Bears fail to take the charge here, and bulls fail to take the charge and pulled it back next previous day. And if you see this day's candle, again the bulls failed to take the charge, and it got, rather I'll say the bears failed to take the control, and it is again getting pulled back on the upside. Now be watchful. The next candle, any breakout above side on the upside towards 8.8, any breakout above 8.8 should bring it further highs, and then it can try to move on the upside. Till the time it trades below 8.8, possibly we can see a sideways momentum, and hence you have to trade with caution. The directional movement is moderately bullish there, but trying to converge. Stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI is overbought. Now see, overbought RSI indicates probably it may try to cool down a bit, and it is going to be a vertical fall, and hence you have to be cautioned. The next candle, wait for the next candle. So rather, in sum, you can go short below 8.58 and go long above 8.65, and above 8.65, 8.7 the next nearest target, and then 8.8 level should get achieved. 8.8 is the good resistance for the day. Below 8 beyond 8.8, you can definitely stay long for $9 levels, rather 8.95, close to 8.95 and 9 should get achieved. On the downside, below 8.58, you can go short for 8.5 first support, 8.41 the next support, and then below that you can expect it to go till towards 8.2 very strong support for the next 2 days. If it breaks below 8.2, it is going to fall heavily towards $8 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. You can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 8th of August, 15 days, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support is what you get. Do not miss this opportunity to learn before you invest. And yes, you can also be part of my VIP Signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.